Hey guys, Jack here, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well, and we have an exciting unboxing today of the new Google Pixel 7. So Google just launched this phone. We're going to go ahead and unbox it and take a look around the phone for the first time. So you can see up at the top we have the Pixel 7 with a picture of the phone underneath, and on the back we have some of the specs. So this is a 5G phone with a 6.3-inch screen, and it starts at 128 gigabytes of storage. It's in the snow colour, so that's basically white. They also do a lemongrass and obsidian, which is a black version. They also do a 256 gigabyte model, and it starts at £599 or dollars and goes up to £700 or dollars for the 256 gig model. And obviously the Pro is more, that's $900 or £850. So you can see here the phone itself in that white colour or snow with the brushed aluminum camera rail. And then if we take a look at the rest of the box, we have a little booklet here, pretty chunky. I would have thought if they're cutting down on waste they would have reduced that. There's also a SIM ejection tool in there. Then we have the USB-C to C cable. So this is about 3 feet long or 1 meter long. So you can use that to charge, but no charging brick in the box. So if you want to get the 30-watt adapter, I'll leave some links down below to Google's one and some other options. And then you have a USB-C to A connector if you want to transfer data from your old device. So we'll bring the phone back in and just look at the back there. You can see the Google logo in the center. And if we flip it around, we have some details on the paper here. So you can see on the top we have the power button, the volume rocker on the same side, the SIM tray on the left, USB-C at the bottom, along with the fingerprint scanner in the middle there. And we'll go ahead and peel it off. And there we go. You can see the very reflective 6.3-inch screen. So we'll go ahead and power it on. And whilst it's booting up, we'll take a look around the rest of the phone. So on the back we have two cameras, the 50 megapixel wide along with the 12 megapixel ultra wide, and then the microphone and LED flash. You can see the metal rail flows into the side and has the two antenna cutouts on each side for signal. On the top we have a microphone hole again along with another antenna cutout. On the right hand side we have the power button and the volume rocker on the same side. On the bottom we have the speaker, the USB-C port and the microphone. And then on the left we just have the SIM tray tool along with some more antenna cutouts. Along the top we have the 10.8 megapixel selfie camera, and that is pretty much all the stuff around the phone. So you can see we're on the setup screen with a rather cool bouncing animation that is vibrating the phone. So we'll go ahead and set this up now. Alright, so that is the Google Pixel 7 all set up. If you guys want to see a video on how to do that, I'll leave a link in the top right there. But just taking a look around the phone, by default there's not too many apps, so just the essential ones that you'll probably use anyway. So not like Samsung phones where you have duplicates or multiple apps that you won't use. And if we just head into settings now, take a look at how much storage we'll get out of the box. So we'll head into settings, and you can see there with the 60% battery, it's estimating about 10.5 hours, but that will obviously adjust over time. You can see out of 128 gigs, we're using 15 gigabytes out of the box. So that gives you some idea of how much storage you'll have. But just having an initial look at the phone and feel of the phone, it feels pretty good. The only thing I would say is the volume rocker is right where I'd hold it. So I prefer it on the other side, but we'll see how that goes. But that is the Google Pixel 7. If you guys have any questions, do post a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you get subscribed over there on the left for upcoming videos. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.